Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be reviewing the Vanessa Nailz acrylics. So I also want to introduce to you the largest container of clear that I've ever owned. So if you're interested, keep watching. Hi everyone, so let's get right into this video. I was really excited to do this because I have seen quite a few YouTubers review the Vanessa Nailz acrylics, and I honestly never heard of her before. I was like, okay, I gotta check this out because I saw how nice the acrylic applied and how easy it was to work with on these videos. So I decided to try some of the Mylar flakes and I fell in love with them. I think I had like 3 containers or something like that. And then she had some mega sales and I was able to get some more acrylics. She is based in Pittsburgh, I believe, and the shipping is very quick. Everything is packed very nicely. I had no issues with any spillage or anything like that. In this unboxing, we have the Monomer and a couple other acrylics that I had gotten on sale. Most times when I receive nail products in the mail, I can actually smell the monomer through the package. Not with this one. As you can see, this is wrapped very well. Look at the cute purple zip tie, like super cute. Anyway, so A+ for the packaging. Like I said, no spillage, no issues, nothing. Everything was completely secure. So at this point in the video, I am going to show you some swatches. These are the reflective glitters, which are stunning. I mean, I just was blown away. I have to tell you. And you know what? Sky has some beautiful ones too that they had just released. I went nuts when they came out with the gel polish and then they released it in the acrylic. And I had no idea that Vanessa Nailz had the reflective glitter as well. So win-win on that aspect. So I'm gonna let this video run so you guys can see the swatches and I will be right back. This is the final unboxing for this video, and I had decided to try her clear acrylic as well. I didn't realize it was going to come in such a big container, so I will not need clear acrylic for a long time. So here we have Carina. This is Burnt. And then finally, Ophelia. Those were the last few acrylics that I had picked up so I can do some fall looks. Just look how gorgeous this glitter is. So I did a quick swatch of the clear acrylic powder because I wanted you to see how clear it really is. I was blown away. Look at that. So that was applied and I buffed it and just put a clear on top, and yeah, beautiful. This pretty much concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you use my discount code Jolene15 so you can save a little bit of money on your purchase with Vanessa Acrylics. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on another video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for all the love, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.